Garmin fans, get ready, because the Fenix 8 Pro is here with leaks that are turning heads in 2025. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a full evolution of Garmin's legendary multi-sport smartwatch. With a rugged yet lighter design, a brighter and more energy-efficient display, enhanced GPS tracking, faster heart rate monitoring, precise SpO2 measurements, and possibly solar charging support, the Fenix 8 Pro is built for both hardcore adventurers and everyday users. In this video, we'll break down all the latest specs, rumored launch date, and reasons why upgrading could be a game-changer. Stay tuned! The Garmin Fenix series has long been regarded as the gold standard for multi-sport and adventure smartwatches, and the anticipation for the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is higher than ever. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. As Garmin continues to refine its wearable technology, the Fenix 8 Pro is shaping up to be not just an incremental upgrade but a significant evolution in the Fenix lineup. In 2025, athletes, outdoor enthusiasts, and smartwatch fans are eager to learn how Garmin plans to push the boundaries of durability, performance, and intelligent functionality. The title alone, Garmin Fenix 8 Pro Review, latest specs, launch date, and upgrade reasons, has sparked countless discussions, with users debating whether this iteration will finally redefine what a premium smartwatch can offer. Early leaks and insider reports suggest that Garmin is aiming for a device that combines rugged design, advanced health metrics, unmatched battery life, and smarter AI-enabled features, making it a compelling choice for both hardcore adventurers and everyday users seeking reliability and style. In terms of design, the Fenix 8 Pro appears to maintain the rugged aesthetic the series is known for while introducing subtle refinements for comfort and usability. The watch is rumored to feature a slightly lighter body without compromising durability, making it ideal for long outdoor activities where weight can become a concern. Early reports suggest improvements in bezel materials, reinforced glass, and overall weather resistance, potentially achieving even higher standards for water, dust, and shock protection. The Fenix 8 Pro seems poised to offer a balance between classic Garmin toughness and modern ergonomic comfort, ensuring that athletes and casual users alike can wear it for hours on end without discomfort. Moreover, the design upgrades appear to be targeted not just at usability but at enhancing the watch's aesthetic appeal, making it look just as impressive in the office as it does on a mountain trail or during an ultramarathon. The display on the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is expected to be a notable improvement over its predecessor. Leaks point toward a larger, brighter, and more energy-efficient screen that retains excellent visibility in direct sunlight, a critical feature for outdoor enthusiasts. The high-resolution color display is likely paired with improved touchscreen responsiveness and advanced ambient light sensors, ensuring clarity in all conditions. Garmin may also introduce adaptive display technology that optimizes power consumption while keeping vital metrics easily readable at a glance. These enhancements would make the Fenix 8 Pro not only more visually striking but also significantly more practical for users who rely on real-time data during intense workouts, navigational tasks, or adventurous expeditions. Performance-wise, the Fenix 8 Pro is expected to bring significant upgrades in terms of processing power, sensor accuracy, and software capabilities. Insider reports suggest that Garmin may include enhanced GPS functionality with multi-band